Okay, parallel postulate. I'm going to write it in words first, and then I'll show you a picture of what the words mean. So, if given a line and a point, there is only one line parallel and through the point. So, if given a line and a point, there is only one line parallel and through the point. What the heck is that talking about? I'm going to draw a picture. So if we have a line like this, and then another point, say it's right there, there can only be one line through that point and parallel to the original line. So there's only one line that can go through that point and be parallel to the original line, which makes sense. Okay, second part, proving lines parallel. We've already touched on these concepts. Proving lines parallel, we talked about like corresponding angles, alternate exterior angles being congruent. We talked about alternate interior angles being congruent. But you can also use their congruence to prove that lines are parallel. For example, if corresponding angles are congruent, then you can say that the lines are parallel. So we're just going to list these. It's called the converse of corresponding angles. So I'll use a different color. Converse, corresponding angles postulate. So the converse of the corresponding angles postulate says that if corresponding angles are congruent, then the two lines are parallel. And then there's also alternate exterior angle converse. I'm going to start abbreviating more and more. Alternate interior angle converse. Consecutive interior angle converse. And then one last one, which is perpendicular transversal converse.
Can you zoom out a little bit?
Yeah.
Stop.
Logan, don't bully the aide. Transversal converse. Okay, perpendicular transversal converse, we didn't spend a lot of time on it. Perpendicular transversal theorem is when you have two parallel lines. If the transversal is perpendicular to one of the angles, then it must be perpendicular to the other line. Also, if you have two 90-degree angles here, then your parallel lines must be parallel. Okay, so now we're going to practice using these concepts on the workbook. So open your workbook to page 30. 39. Thank you, page 39.